Hi beauties, it's me Evie, and I have the Boxy Charm base box for you for March. And this is also a very special box unboxing because it is the last official Boxy Charm that we are going to open. Now, we are looking for a change because, as you know, Ipsy bought Boxy Charm. So we will see. I don't know if it'll come in the Boxy Charm boxes or what, if they're going to change packaging. We're in for eyes, and we won't know until next month. So stay tuned for that. But let's get into the base box for right now. It is 5 full-size items. This month is Planet Woman. We just had National Women's Day, so this is the perfect time for this box. We have a Get on Our Own Gorgeous Together, Meet Beauty's New Dream Team. The battle of the world's most beloved beauty subscription is over. We're bringing the best of both brands together to create the ultimate beauty membership with more perks for you than ever before. It's a match made in makeup heaven. So that's a little bit of a brief. We're going to have a mega drop shop access, 24/7 shop, Ulta personalization. So that sounds amazing. Oh, and actually, it says same price, more options, or more perks. Same price, more perks. So that is interesting. I cannot wait to hear it all next month. So let's just jump into our Boxy Charm Planet Woman for the month. And I have to say, so I have all the things unboxed. So it looks super full. But it's 5 full-size items. So let's get on with the first thing. The first thing is from a brand I absolutely love. This is First Aid Beauty. It is a 2-in-1 cleansing oil makeup remover. Now, I have never personally used the makeup remover in this form, but I have used the First Aid Beauty skincare line. I've had like the nighttime cream, the moisturizer, the makeup remover that's a cream. So I am glad to have this in my beauty box because it's something I will use. And I love the brand. So this retails for $20 retail. The next thing we have is an Ace Beauty. Now, I honestly do not know what to think about this palette. This is from Ace Beauty. We've seen these kind of packages lately from them, and it's beautiful. Let me just, oh, great. Let me just open this up for you. And this is a full contour palette. But I really don't think these colors would work on me. However, if I keep losing hair, this one might be, this one, actually, this one or this one might be good to put on my scalp if my hair doesn't stop falling out. So there could be that. I may keep it, may pass it on. I really think these would make me look like I had mud on my face. A big disgrace. Okay. Yeah, so this might work, but I am not trained enough to make that work for me. So that is, so this is Ace Beauty Ultimate Sculpting Face Palette. Retails for $42. It says that you can highlight, define, contour, and bronze. Interesting. Okay, the next thing we have is from another brand that I really, really like. In fact, I just used one of the products today, but this is from Dew of the Gods. It's Feels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Face Scrub. That's kind of a mouthful. It says, say goodbye to layers, years, and tears with this Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub. Designed to be applied dry, the tiny magnesium oxide crystals are like another scrub you've ever experienced. And this retails for $30. I love the packaging on this. Let me see what it smells like. I'm really particular lately about either not having a smell or having a good smell, because I can just not deal. I have a little bit on my pinky here. Oh, it's very perfumey, actually. Like aromatherapy meets Avon perfume. Oh, I touched my nose with it. It is also very, very sand-like-ish. I'm just gonna brush that off right now. Just into the air. It does make my skin soft. But it is a little sticky. It is very much very much reminiscent of the Apricot Scrub we all know, love, and hate at the same time. It's very much reminded me of that. But honestly, the Apricot Scrub smells better. Anyway, this, I will probably use it just because I trust the brand. And that retailed again for $30. The next thing we have is Co-Life. And it is a booster. Don't even get me trying to pronounce that word because it's not going to happen. Let me show you what it is. It is this. It says it boosts your current skincare regimen with the booster serum. Add a few pumps into your current skincare to level up your products or on its own. It's supposed to keep your skin firm and healthy, treat hyperpigmentation, helps treat blemishes, protects against sun damage, and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Juicy skin starts here. I actually really bad need this. This retails $35. And the last thing in the box is Belle and Argent. I wish names were more simple. This is a tinted lip balm, and it is a lightly tinted balm that moisturizes lips all day and provides gentle color. And this must be a really popular color coming up because I have seen this color over and over and over again. Let's just... Okay, so turns out it's not a orangey, well, maybe. It's a peach. Can you see that? Now, I would wear that. Just to look at it, though, I was going to say I would not wear that. But it's At Hello Nude is the name of it. That's cute. I like that. This retails for $18. Okay, so the Boxy Charm Planet Woman. So that was a really good box. I found some gems that I'm really happy about, aka this and Co-Life. I feel like this was a good box and worth every penny. So go check out Boxy Charm. Don't wait. Go subscribe now. so you can get on the first ever Ipsy Boxy Charm journey with the rest of us. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing the Boxy Charm Luxe box for this month. It's been 3 months already. It just doesn't seem like it, but it has. So I just want y'all all to get in on that and see what goodies we have over there in the Luxe box. I'm going to make a second video for that, so please go check it out. Like, comment, subscribe, and, you know, if you like what I'm doing, just leave me a little message in the comments. It makes my day literally so much better when I have comments. So I will talk to you all later. Love you. Remember, be your own beautiful.